Okay, attempt number 2 to take something out of the laundry basket. Here we go. Anya, can I fold one thing? One thing. Oh, almost got it. Shit. Ha ha ha. Oh, almost. Okay. No, I almost got it. Go. Ow. Nailed it.